This is not your ordinary chips mayai. This is the next level, just up chips mayai. When you have the simplest of ingredients, you whip up an amazing dish. So we're going to need some potatoes for the recipe. We have eggs, onion, garlic, tomatoes, assorted peppers, a few spices like black pepper, aromat, and salt, together with a seasoning cube and cooking oil. The recipe is as simple as that. Now, when it comes to potatoes, you're going to peel, cut into fries just like this. But as for me, I've not peeled my potatoes. I've just thoroughly washed on the outside and cut into fries together with the potato skins, which are quite nutritious. So you're going to prep up everything beforehand so that cooking can be simpler. You'll need some cooking oil for deep frying your potatoes and another pan for cooking your delicious eggs. Not complicated, just simple. So I've already drained water from my potatoes. I'm going to start off by putting the flames for my cooking oil so that we can fry our potatoes. Meanwhile, as the cooking oil is getting hot, I'm going to be cracking into eggs to a bowl. For the recipe, you need 6 eggs. Add in a touch of salt and a touch of black pepper. Then I'm going to move over to my stove top. Put on the flames and add in a teaspoon of cooking oil for frying my eggs. Coat the pan with the cooking oil, and it's going to take around a minute for the pan to get hot. Once hot, you're going to add in your eggs. Fry for around a minute on each side. After a minute, you're going to flip your eggs. Once ready, I'm going to transfer my eggs to a plate. Add in some more cooking oil, a tiny bit of oil. Crack in 2 more eggs into my bowl. Add in salt and pepper. As you're cooking your eggs, you're going to check if the cooking oil for frying your potatoes is ready. If you notice that it's ready, you're going to add in your potatoes. Use your skimmer and toast the potatoes. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, and it's going to depend on the size that you have chopped up your potatoes. Back to my eggs. I'm going to add in my eggs and cook for around 30 seconds to a minute on each side. Very quickly, I'm going to crack in 2 more eggs into my bowl. Add in salt and pepper. Whisk the eggs. Check on the eggs which are cooking. You can use a spatula or flip. Then cook for another minute. Transfer to my plate. Add in some more cooking oil to my pan. Spread the oil. Add in my eggs. Then I'm going to tilt my pan to spread the eggs. Cook for around 30 seconds to a minute on each side. I'm going to check on my fries. And when ready, I'm going to transfer to the rest. So that is the first step of cooking your eggs, which is very simple, as you have seen. So now you're going to add in a tiny bit more cooking oil to the same pan. I'm going to add in a tablespoon. Spread the oil, then I'm going to be adding in my onions and garlic. This is a recipe which needs you to be on your toes because you are cooking 2 dishes at the same time. So you can reduce the flames to low so that the onions can cook while you check on your fries. Whenever you're cooking fries, there are 2 steps. The first step is cooking your fries on the inside, and the second step is adding in crispiness. So this is the first step. Everything is looking super nice. Wow. And the aroma in the kitchen is so gorgeous. You can catch some nice garlicky flavor in the kitchen. The onions are cooking and also the fries are cooking. So everything is just smelling so good. So now you're going to pick your eggs, stack on a chopping board just like this. Then you're going to be cutting up your eggs into strips. Then I'm going to transfer to the same plate. Check on my onions and garlic, which are cooking perfectly. Check on my fries. And the first round is ready. So I'm going to use a skimmer, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate. In a matter of 30 seconds, your garlic is going to cook out the raw flavor and get very flavorful. So just keep on stirring because garlic burns super fast. Also, the onions are going to release sweetness into the dish. So you're going to get a very nice oniony flavor into the dish. Oniony. Is there anything like that? So once ready, you're going to add in 2 medium tomatoes which are diced and stir in. And because we added in some salt into the eggs, I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube, which is going to add a very nice taste into the eggs. Let the tomatoes cook for around 1 to 2 minutes over medium-low flame. If you notice that your pan is drying out, just add in a splash of water. Back to my fries, you're going to wait for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds for the oil to get super hot so that you can add in crispiness into your fries. Mine is ready. So carefully, I'm going to drop in my fries. Use my skimmer, toss the fries, and cook for around a minute or until the fries get a nice, gorgeous brownish color. I'm going to get a kitchen serviette for draining off the excess oil. Once ready. And at this point, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of aromat to my tomatoes. The aromat is quite optional. And I love adding in some aromat because it's super flavorful. I'm going to use my spatula and mash down the tomatoes as they're cooking, and the aromat is going to add in so much flavor into the dish. Just be careful while adding in the aromat because it's a little bit salty. Back to my potatoes. This is what I'm talking about. Just look how gorgeous and crispy the fries are looking. When the tomatoes are ready, you're going to add in your eggs. Reduce the flames to low. Then you're going to coat the eggs together with the delicious sauce. Add in my assorted capsicum, cook together with the eggs. And in a matter of around a minute, the eggs are going to soak in all that goodness from the tomatoes, onions, garlic, and the aromat. And also the capsicum is going to soften up. Just look at that. When ready, I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. Immediately the fries are from the cooking oil, you're going to sprinkle in with salt, and the salt is going to immediately melt into the fries. When ready, you're going to be serving your fries together with your eggs. I love adding ketchup to my fries. There's always that sweet vinegary taste in ketchup, which makes fries super delicious. The eggs are perfectly cooked, perfectly seasoned. The capsicum is soft, still crunchy, which makes each bite so good and delicious. This is a recipe worth trying because if you have some leftover fries and you have some eggs in the house, you can whip up this amazing dish in a matter of minutes, and it's going to turn out so delicious, mouth-watering, protein loaded, and it's going to be bomb.